Hi, my name is Scott Eton at Melrose Umbrella Company. Today I'll be making you the Highway Hustle, a drink that was originally derived from a mango lassi that somehow evolved into a Mexican cocktail during all my trips down to Mexico City. We're going to start out with 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, to a 1/4 ounce of mango puree. For you bartenders at home, you can use a couple slices of mango. Will suffice. I'm going to do a Barspoon of Kümmel liqueur, basically a cumin spice liqueur. Three-quarters of an ounce of pineapple gum, which is essentially a pineapple simple syrup with gum arabic. Just changes the texture slightly. And I'm going to finish it off with some Fresno Chilli Blanco Tequila. 1 3/4 of an ounce. Give it a quick shake. Alright, go ahead and fine strain it into our Georgian glass. Garnish with a dehydrated orange slice. Cheers. That's the Highway Hustle.